Hello everyone, today I'm going to show what is Flexclip. So we are going to search the platform, we're going to click here, and this is the platform, but before we have to access with our Google account. So this is my Google account and we are going to start. So we are going to start here. So we have here two options. The first, it's like a easy way to use, and the other we can change the picture, the video, and other aspect. So we are going to select the first because we are start to learn about this platform. Now we are going to select this 5 option. We are going to select this. So this is the first option that we have to use or modify. So for example, here we have all the material. So we are going to select one, and this, for example, this, and we are going to select here. And we don't like this, so we are going to remove, and this we are going to modify. We are going to select here. For example, we are going to write hello, and the other we don't use the other. Okay, so here we have the hello. Now we are going to use some music. So here we select the music. We're going to choose one. For example, here, and here we can select the best option. So I think I am going to select this, and we are going to see the results. And here we can use other slides to create a video. So we are going to finish, and we are going to select the best way for us. For example, I'm going to select this, and if we can see, we can't use this option because we had to pay. So we are going to select the basic way, and the name is hello, created by Alexandra. Here we can apply a introduction of the platform, but if we don't like, we can select this and finish. So we only wait to see the results. And here we have the result of our video. And that was the presentation of this platform. I think it's easy to use. but in sometimes we can find other aspects that we can follow the all things or all options in this platform. So thank you so much.